Welcome to Beyond Tutoring, personalized learning for every student. Learn, grow, achieve.
Hi kids, today we are going to see class 5 chapter 6, some unique places. So in this chapter we are going to see about some unique places in India. So first we are going to see about Andaman and Nicobar Islands, then Sundarbans, Northeast India, Western Ghats and Silent Valley. So these are located in different regions of India. So these regions have certain features, that is, they have some unique features that we can see only in that region, that separates this from other other places of India. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആൻഡോമാൻ ആൻഡ് നിക്കോബാർ ഐലൻഡ്സ്, ദെൻ സുന്ദർബൻസ്, നോർത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റ് ഇന്ത്യ, വെസ്റ്റേൺ ഘട്ട്സ്, സൈലന്റ് വാലി. ഈ ഓരോ പ്ലേസസിന് ദേ ഹാവ് അവർക്ക് കുറച്ച് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. അവരുടെ ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വി ക്യാൻ സീ ഓൺലി ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് റീജിയൻ. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ അതിനെ യുണീക്ക് എന്ന് പേരിടാൻ കാരണം. അവരുടെ ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് അവിടെ മാത്രമാണ് കാണാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ വി കോൾ ഇറ്റ് ആസ് സം യുണീക്ക് പ്ലേസസ്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയ സുന്ദർബൻസിലൊരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് തിങ് വി ക്യാൻ സീ ഈസ് ദേ ഹാവ് ലാർജ് മാംഗ്രൂവ്സ് ആർ ദർ. അങ്ങനെ ഓരോരോ പ്ലേസസിൽ ദേ ഹാവ് സം ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് and that makes them unique. So this Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is the southernmost tip of the India. Andaman and Nicobar Island is the southernmost tip of India. It has a long chain of islands. Andaman and Nicobar, it has a long chain of islands. So what is an island means? What is an island? Island means it is a land surrounded by water on all sides. So all sides it is surrounded by water. A land surrounded by water on all sides, then it is called an island. So what is an island? Island means it is a land surrounded by water on all sides. So now we are going to see the features of trees on the Andaman and Nicobar Island. What are the features of trees on the trees? They have big roots. The trees on the Andaman and Nicobar Island, they have big roots growing out of the tree. They have big roots. They are growing out of the tree. They spread out wide. Supporting the tree. So what are the features of trees in Andaman and Nicobar Island? So they have, so you can see in this, so you can see here that they have big roots. The roots are very big. They are growing out of the tree and they spread out. So you can see they spread out wide. So it helps in supporting the tree. Now we can see the forest. The forest in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, they are home to different types of animals, and also we can see colorful birds, we can see butterflies, we can see insects. So this colorful birds, butterflies and insects we can see only in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So one of the two types of birds, they are Andaman wood pigeon, the Andaman wood pigeon and the Andaman hornbill. The two birds, what's the name of them? Andaman wood pigeon and Andaman hornbill. There are two birds. The name of the birds are Andaman wood pigeon and Andaman hornbill. They are found only in Andaman. Capital city of Andaman is Sri Vijayapuram. What is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island? The capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Sri Vijayapuram. The forest in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is home to different types of animals, unique and colorful birds, butterflies and insects. So this forest is so special and we need to protect. So it is very important to protect this forest. Then we can see in order to move to other region we need to catch a ferry. So this ferry means in order to travel we should wear a jacket, life jacket we should wear. Even if you know the swimming, we should wear a life jacket. It is very important. Otherwise, if an accident, anything occurs, uh, it help us to afloat. This life jacket help us to afloat into the water. If any accidents occurs, this life jacket help us to afloat in water. And another thing you can see in the Andaman and Nicobar Island is the Marine International Center. So it is this is a place where we can know more about the marine life. What all things you can see so inside the sea, what all things are present. So it has models, displays, many things are present in this Marine International Center. From that we can able to understand what all things are present under the sea. So we don't know what all things are present. So by using if you are going there we can figure out what all things are under the sea. So one of the important thing under the sea is coral reefs. So you can see the brown color thing present in the brown color thing. This is the coral reefs. It gives shelter to many small many creatures. So you can see this coral reefs. It gives shelter to, this is the coral reefs. These are found under the sea. So it gives a shelter to many creatures. So they live inside they get food from this coral reefs. So this tiny coral reefs gives shelter to many creatures. And another thing you can see is this marine life. There are many type of aquatic animals living. Plants are also there, like coral reefs. They are very important. So it is very important for the sea as well as for the whole earth. It is very important. Okay, so North Sentinel Island. So it is an island. It is a prohibited island. We cannot go there on the North Sentinel Island. So people living in there, they live like a ancient. They are ancient gatherers. So we cannot go there. They are. We are prohibited in going there because the people are very so they don't allow anyone to go in the island. So they are living like an ancient people. How the ancient people are living, they don't have any technology development is there. They are just living along with the nature. So one of the important thing we can see about the North Sentinel Island is that, so in 2014 a big tsunami hit. On 2014 a big tsunami hit the region in 2014, but people in that island, they survived. why they survived. In 2014, a big tsunami hit the region, but the people in that region, they survived. Why they survived? Because they live close to the nature. They are living close to the nature. So they notice the different signs before any pandemic, any this natural calamity occurs. The nature shows some signs before earthquake or before tsunami. There will be some sign. The nature will show us some signs. So animals and birds, they can predict the danger that is coming. So the people in that region, they observe the signs in the nature, like changes in the wind, the sea, and behavior of animal. They able to understand that there is some danger is coming, and they move on to a safe place. That is why they were able to survive in the large tsunami which was hit in 2014. So they notice the signs in nature, like changes in wind, sea, and behavior of animal. They notice the signs in nature, like changes in wind, sea, and behavior of animal, and their deep connection with nature help them stay safe. How do they stay safe in such a big tsunami when it hit in that region? Okay, so now we are going to see the Sundarbans. So Sundarbans, it is a home of mangroves. Sundarbans is home of mangroves. The world's largest mangrove we can see in the Sundarbans. It is a home of mangroves. So you can see. So what is the peculiarity of mangroves? It is a home of mangroves. Sundarbans is a home of mangroves. So from this picture we can see that in this video we can see that this roots are coming out of the water. So this mangrove, this they are under the water, they are muddy and salt water. So uh, it, uh, the roots need oxygen. So what happened means the roots, they come out of the water, and it helps the roots to breathe. The muddy salt help them breathe in muddy salt and water. The roots, they come out of the water. You can see from here, the roots, they come out of the water, and it helps them to breathe in muddy and salt water. And another peculiarity of this roots is that this root helps to hold the soil. The roots helps to hold the soil and prevents this. So it stops the waves. It stops the waves. So you can see these roots, it helps to hold the soil together. Roots help to hold the soil together and help stops wave from washing the island. So it prevents the waves from washing the island. So we can see, what if there is no trees are there, if there is no trees are there, what happened? All the soil will be washed out when a wave, the waves washed out the soil. So the mangrove trees help them to hold the soil together and stop waves from washing the land. If there is no trees, we can see that the waves can wash off the land. And we can see the people in the Sundarbans, they wear a mask. They wear a mask when they are traveling into the forest for collecting, like the forest they will get fruits, they get honey, they get like twigs, they collect branches. So when they go into the forest, they wear a mask from behind the neck. They wear mask. What is the reason is that? The reason is that the tiger, so in order to confuse the tiger, because tiger attacks from behind of the prey. Tiger attacks from behind of the prey. So if they wear a mask, back of the neck, back of the head, so the tigers get confused. So they can get, they will be safer from the tiger. So people they wear mask behind the head, because to make tigers confused, because tigers they attack from behind of the from behind the prey. They attack the prey from behind. That is why they wear a mask back of the head, and they live closely with the nature, the wildlife and the water and everything there, they live all together. Next is the northeast. So which are the northeast? Green hills and great tradition. So northeast, what is the importance of northeast? It is a green hills are the, great traditions are the. So which are the regions you can see in the northeast? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram. Along with that, Sikkim is also the. So, seven states. So there are seven states. The seven states: Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya. They are called seven sisters. The seven states: Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, and Mizoram. They are called seven sisters. They makes up northeast. They makes up northeast. So northeast is made up of. So we can see lot of wildlife, forest. It is a home of lush forest, flowing rivers, amazing animals. So it is a home of this northeast. It is a home of lush forest, flowing rivers, amazing animals and birds. So what are the features, what are things we can see in the northeast? So one of the feature of the northeast is weaving. So they weave cloths, then crafts we can see in the northeast. Then dance and music. There are different seven states are the, each states have different dance forms and musics. Then another important festivals, seven states there are a lot of festivals you can see. Then okay, so one of the thing you can see in the northeast is booth jolokia. So it is called a ghost pepper. So ghost pepper you can see. This ghost pepper, it is the hottest chilies in the world. The ghost pepper, it is the hottest chilies in the world. So they use this pepper in chutneys. They use this pepper in chutneys, pickles, and also in between the crops they will grow they will grow this ghost peppers in between the crops, so that to keep elephants away from the crops. If the elephants, if they came to eat the crops, if they grow in between the ghost pepper accidentally, if the elephant take it, have it, so they will be they will run off, they move away from the field in order to keep the crops safe from elephants. They grow this ghost pepper in between the crops. Okay, one of the important thing you can see in the northeast region is a crane. It's stork. It's hargila. So it is a large stork. It is called hargila. So Purnima Devi Burman, she's the founder of All Women Hargila Army. So uh, she's so the number of this Hargila, they were like reducing. She started an initiative to protect the nest, this bird. So Purnima Devi Burman. And also they build their houses with bamboo. They build the houses with bamboo, the people in Assam. The main reason is that the region is very so flood and many natural calamities can occur, worse weather conditions can occur in that region. So these bamboo sticks are very strong. So it helps the people in Assam to cope up with extreme weather conditions like earthquake and flood. So it helps the people in Assam to cope up with extreme weather conditions. And another thing you can see in the northeast region is a hanging living root bridges. So these two trees, they are in two opposite sides of the sides of a stream. So the roots they grow to they connected together to form a bridge that is called living root bridges. So people, so it is strong so that people can walk through this bridge. So this across the river or streams, a living root bridges form and people can walk through it. So it is very strong. So there are many animals we can see in the forest in the northeast region. So this is a that animals and plants and we cannot found anywhere in the world. So it is a important place. So next is a Western Ghats. So what is Western Ghats means? It is a long chain of forested hills. So what Western Ghats means? It is a long chain of forested hills known for rich plants and animal life. Western Ghats is a long chain of forested hill known for its rich plants and animals. So Indian squirrel, Indian giant squirrel, long-tailed lion-tailed macaques are found only in this Western Ghats. So Indian giant squirrel, lion-tailed macaques are found only in this region. So this Western Ghats, it is one of the 8 biological hotspot of world. It is one of the 8 hotspots, one of the 8 hotspots of biological diversity in the world. It spread from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu to Kerala. So they are spread across this Western Ghats. It is a long chain of forested hill. We can see it is a long chain of forested hill. It is spread from, it is 6 states are there. It starts from Maharashtra. It starts from Maharashtra. It starts from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. So there are many rivers you can also see in this through this in this Western Ghats. The main of the rivers are Godavari, Kaveri, and Krishna. So we can see many rivers in this Western Ghats. The main rivers you can see in the Western Ghats are Godavari, Kaveri, and Krishna. So in the forest, there are many plants are the medicinal plants are the they are found only in this region. So the tribal people living there, they collect and many forest dwelling people, tribal people and forest dwelling people, they collect these medicines. They go there, collect food, medicines, and they live for the livelihood. And now we can see, so it is a long chain of forest starting from from Gujarat to Kerala. So there are different varieties of trees, different things you can see. So you can see some students, they are conducting and survey collecting information on particular plan, surveys on a plan. So they have cameras, have the book, pens are the, they are conducting surveys, they are conducting. So using this survey, they found out different varieties of mangoes. Over 200 varieties of mangoes they have. Using the surveys, they found 200 varieties of mangoes. There are jackfruits are the, jamuns are the. So they can be seen in the Western Ghats. So using this survey, they found out 200 varieties of mangoes they found. So next region we are going to see is the Silent Valley. So from the name silent, so what do you feel the name silent means? Silent means full of silence. So when you go the this region is full of, this forest is full of silence. Why the region is full of silence means, so there is in forest, you usually we can see some buzzing sounds. In this forest there is no such buzzing sounds are not the buzzing sounds of insects are not that is why this forest is given Silent Valley. And before long time ago, long time ago, so they are planned, some the government, they plan to construct a dam, they plan to construct a dam. So if they plan to construct a dam in the Silent Valley, it can affect, it would result in flooding, and it can cause the destruction of this special forest. So many people from all over join in a movement called Save Silent Valley movement. So when they are planned to construct a dam, what happened means many people, locals and many people all over the Kerala, they joined together to form a movement called Save Silent Valley movement, and and thus the Silent Valley become a protected forest, protected forest. So what do you mean by protected areas? So protected areas means this the people, they cannot enter in that region. Entry is banned in that region. So the protected regions are forests, rivers, or hills. They are safe, they are kept safe by government to protect animals, plants, and nature, because there are lot of different unique plants are the, animals are the. So if the people go there, they will so if special unique endangered species are there is a chance that the people will hunt them, or if they cut down the trees and all that. In order to prevent them, the government, they make a law that uh, the government make some region as a protected region, and the people, they cannot enter into that region in order to protect animals and plants. So so in the protected areas, we cannot hunt the we cannot hunt animals, we cannot cut down the trees, because it can affect the plants, it can affect the trees and nature. So there are over 50 protected areas are there in the Western Ghats. So main protected areas are wildlife sanctuaries, the national park in India, tiger reserves in India. So in order to protect animals like lion, tailed macaque, tiger, elephant, and hornbill, and to keep the forest and rivers healthy, there are over 50 protected areas are there in the Western Ghats. So southernmost tip of the mainland is the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari means it is a region, it is a place where three seas meet. Southernmost tip of the Indian mainland is the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is the region where three seas are meet. Okay, thank you.